Hey guys, welcome back to another week of probability and stochastics. Today we'll be reviewing homework 7, question 8. This is the Poisson process. It's defined by these three properties here, which will be integral in our question. And this will be our graph here that's given. And they want us to find the expected value of xt. So we write out the probability of x equals k. That's equal to lambda to the k power over k factorial times exponential of minus lambda, where k equals 0, 1, all the way to n, whichever. So we have t equals t2 minus t1, and with the parameter of lambda t, we could write out our Poisson process of probability of n of t1, t2 equals k equals to the exponential of minus lambda t times lambda t to the k over k factorial. And from the Poisson distribution, we have the expected value of lambda. So the expected value of xt is lambda t, and that's A. For B, we want us to find r of t1, t2. So before we try anything, we could just get this down where we have a d of the expected of value of like the xt. We established that was like lambda t, and that equals to this value here. We have the expected value squared, and we have the expected value of x squared. Expected value of x squared, we can go for this here. The expected value d of xt plus expected value of xt squared. That will give us 1 plus lambda t times lambda t. And so we have we have to do it in both ways, where t2 is larger than t1, and the other way around as well. So for the first one, we have the expected value of xt1 times xt2, and we'll need to just basically expand that out like so, all the way down here. We've established that this part here, x squared t2 is 1 plus lambda t1 times lambda t1, basically this here, and we expand this out to lambda t1 times lambda t2 minus lambda t1, and that shortens down to lambda times t1 plus lambda times t1 times t2. That's for t2 is larger than t1, and for t1 is larger than t2, basically just switch t1 and t2, and that's basically your answer. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this has been the Poisson process question for homework 7.